This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now in Wuhu in China. This is it's called Cherry, okay, I can show you guys. Cherry Longsan Multifunction Proving Ground. It's a test track inside the area here where we test cars. You will see that there will be several different cars here, not only the Cherry car. There's actually an Audi A5L here also going into test. So I will do a test drive with this. It's Exlantix ES. It's the sedan version. There's also a SUV version, the ET. So yeah, we used to see what it looks like. Maybe while we're waiting, I can check it out. This is actually the first time I check, but it's not here, you see, the chart. I'm a noob. So wait. I need to find out eventually where the charge port is. Sorry for my noobness. I haven't checked out this car yet, but here you should see the interior quickly. So I will have Nathan here from Cherry also. Well, actually, it's Exlantix, yes, with me. I could also choose to drive alone. It's actually kind of cold today, 8 degrees Celsius. We're getting a little bit of low tire pressure warning there. But yeah, so before we start, I can show you that if you go swipe down here, we can have it in different modes.
Normal tire pressure, park for check.
Yeah, so I'm gonna move slightly forward now. And yeah, you see, it is so intuitive. I did not drive this car yet, because until now, past few days, I've been driven around here in Wuhu. But I'll show you that we have, okay, this type of stock: drive, reverse, park. Yeah, okay, that sound, we need to try to turn, because when you put the car in reverse, I noticed that it has this sound here. It's probably okay for Chinese people, but for me, we need to turn off that.
I think because here it's very near. I don't know what's in the back.
Oh, okay. Strange.
Warning here. Or you can go up a little bit. Maybe it will stop.
Okay, okay. Let me try to find some of the settings. See here, we have a horizontal screen. That's great. Maybe on the sound, I'll try to look if there's some kind of alarm sound here. Okay, put in the lowest, yeah. Touch tone, okay. But okay, I'm not gonna configure too much of this. Just showing you what we have here. But this is actually the European spec version. So if we go here to go to language settings, you see that we actually have Norwegian ready here. Deutsch, Français, Italiano, Espanol, Netherlands, Svenska, Portuguese, Polski. So it has been prepared for Europe. Okay, I guess we'll start with some, well, we can just do the curves here. So it doesn't have a track like Nordschleife or anything like that, so just testing. Yeah, so we wipe with a button on the stock. It's like Tesla actually. It has been set up quite similar to Tesla. You push the stock to wipe, and then we have the gear shifter here. So I just want to go around the curves with, feel how it is. Since it's the ES, then it should have nice handling. Do now kind of like the big circle to get a feel of how it is. Yeah, I read the documents here that it has CDC, so it's a continuous damping control. So it will try to mitigate any sway. I feel like it feels nice and stable. Also, yeah, doesn't wag too much. Let me check the region. It's been set to 2 now. Region, the highest. If I go click here, we have a hotkey for region actually. Yeah, now it basically has no region. It just rolls. Okay, I want to have 2, but I even feel like 2 is maybe not the highest I would prefer. Let me check something. Yeah, we had 79% state of charge. Okay, so I will try that. I want to try some other stuff, but let's go a little bit closer. Well, how about closer turns? Like, where is it? Just is this one direction, or can I go any
Yes, depending on you. In this area, you can turn another direction. It's
Okay, I can
But
go.
back, when we back, we better to go from the right side.
Because there are
Yes,
arrows
it's
pointing. Okay. So just get an idea of how it is to, if we would simulate some kind of street driving or curvy road. So I like it. You know, I like sedans because they don't wag like a boat. Yeah. And when I accelerate, decelerate, yeah, it stays nice and level. This is possibly the CDC that will adjust the suspension so it doesn't go too much. Okay, but no. So I want to try over here, right?
Yes, we go back with different scenarios.
So we go here, or?
Yes, it's right side.
Oh, okay, right side. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, there's some different. All right. Okay, I go this way.
Different scenario, yes. I think the number 3 is you see the Brazil stone something.
Oh, let's try 3. Let's try 3. Cobblestones, Brazil. Oh, okay. Brazilian cobblestones. This is more like different cobblestone. Okay, and nice and comfy. Now I check that I'm in eco mode. I have to go to custom. I set custom here. You can go to this, and then you go to vehicle, and then wait. No, it wasn't there. It was driving. Oh, wow! This is really bumpy stuff. Okay. It still handles it okay, but there is no air suspension here. But okay, you can adjust the power. The steering. I put it to standard. You have a sport and rain mode, comfort, and then let me see. No, I want a comfort mode on the. Oh yeah, my bad. This is the throttle response. So in standard, it becomes okay. Comfort, it's also okay actually. But what about sport? Yeah, then it goes. We should try some acceleration also. Steering mode, I prefer comfort and the sport, and then brake pedal also comfort. In the personalized settings, we have it like this. And then let's try now. Go around, and then where can we do the higher speed? I can just do it here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right side we can. Oh,
it's fairly quick, yeah. Well, okay. So it has that nice oomph in sport mode. Try again. What about at higher speed? Try to get up to around 120 kilometers per hour to get an idea on the motorway. Yeah, great. Okay, slow down a bit. There's some dust here. I can hear the.
yes, the stone kicks back.
But I hear slight. There's like some sand something, and it hits the arc wheel arches.
Oh, we better do this way.
Oh, this way. Okay, let's go this way. All right.
Because
Try.
someone will go.
Oh, I see. Okay, then we can try. Oh, whoa. That okay. This is the ultimate number 1. The ultimate test. Okay, I'm not sure if the camera's gonna shake too much or what. Oh, okay.
It's a little bit strict for sedan, huh?
Yeah. So okay, sedan doesn't have that much suspension travel, but I mean it still kind of works. I mean, it didn't kill my spine. And then over here we have some like dip, whatever you call it, on the road. Not sure which kind of scenario this is. And then we have the lots of potholes. Yeah. So now we are on UK and Belgian roads. Approved. Okay. And then here we have some other type. Oh yeah. Okay. Try all of that. And then also there's supposed to be some rough asphalt somewhere, and then some smooth asphalt. Rough asphalt, that would be Norway. But if I set it back to standard now, okay, let's get a feel. Now let's maybe drive a little more normal. Also one thing you guys might notice is the blinker sound. I think and hope we can change that. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. You see, yeah, let's follow the other guys again. So yeah, I mean it has nice comfort, nice handling. I don't think we need to test all the different surfaces. Okay, this sound here might be because some sensor is blocked there. That's why it's making that sound. But okay, if they are waiting, right? Oh, okay, they're going. Oh. Okay, we could just go. Okay, so let's get a feel of how it is. Yeah, I like it. It's actually nice and comfy. You know, I feel like it's not. This is not just some entry-level car. It has great comfort. Actually, now that we go a bit fast and there's normal speeds over the bumps, it seems to handle it nicely. It doesn't bounce, you know. And fairly quiet. Let me check something here. Yeah, double glazed windows, of course. Yeah, all right. Okay, let me go on some of the outer surfaces there. It's 45 limit here. Okay, oh, okay, maybe. Okay, here. For Norway, I think this is the one. Rough asphalt. Nicely done. I mean, you can hear the rumbling. Can we switch lane here during the?
Yeah. What?
Can we move to
Yes,
the other?
yes,
Okay,
sure.
okay.
We can look around.
Here we have smooth asphalt, more like Denmark. And then last lane here is concrete. Deutschland. It's typical concrete. Yeah, you can recognize it. So, all right, nice. I think I'll just take one more lap just to get a feel. So let me see if I can get more fluid, not just too much stopping. So if I go hard turn now, U-turn. Yeah, this is what I like about the sedans. They just they have nicer ride. It goes slightly up, but then maybe the suspension is adjusting it. If I cruise now around 100 kilometers per hour, it's good. Slow down a bit. Yeah, I'm not sure why the Audi was flashing. Okay, and then let me go to the other circle, or to the other, okay, here. Follow the Jayco 5. Yeah, I'm not sure what that surface is. Oh, it's like a dip.
Yes, depot.
It's a speed bump. Oh, I need to test that. Of course, we need to test speed bump. That was a kind of weird. There was a. Okay, let me see here. All right, we have speed bumps. How does it handle it? We have plenty of those speed bumps in Norway. It's actually a dip, and then up. Let me see. That was a dip. Okay, here we have a speed bump. Okay, one side only, but I want to see if the nose goes up or not. Nicely done. It seems like it doesn't just bounce up. Okay, here we have both sides. This is one I was looking for. Regular speed bump. This is great. I like it. I didn't find any weird. Oh, those kind of, yeah. I didn't find any weird stuff going on with this car, so it seems like, you know, great comfort, good soundproofing, great handling, all the stuff that you need for a nice, large, comfy family car.